on, Bailey. Come on, boy. Yeah. Bailey. Yeah. Yeah. He's like, what the fuck are you doing, girl? Come on, baby boy. You just want some loving. I know. Come on, Bailey. Come on down here. Come on, boy. Come on, Bailey. Come on. Come on, Bailey. I know you wanna. Oh. Come on, Bailey. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, Bailey. Where'd you go? Silly dog. Oh, there you are. Sorry, I just kind of knocked your face out of the way. Bailey, say hi to everybody. Say hi. This is Bailey, everybody. He's a little, what are you, Bailey? Huh? What are you, Bailey? He likes to be scratched. Ah, boy. Huh. You like that. Where's Lucy? Where's Lucy? Huh? So yeah, I'm just like hanging out here. Watching the dogs. It's all good. It's all good. And I know my hair looks like shit, but that's why this isn't on my amazing YouTube page, and it's on this YouTube page. Oh crap, I don't want to drink that. But yeah, nothing much is going on, just hanging out with the dogs. Look at him, he's so funny, he's like, rawr, rawr, rawr. Bailey! Hey, Bailey! Woohoo! Bailey! Yeah! What was that? Oh my god. What was that? Bailey! I like how his ears do that. It's like, Bailey! Ooh-ah! Ooh-ah! Yeah! 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 Oh! 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 Ooh! Bailey! Hey, doggy! The dog! The dog! The dog! I like his ears. They're very cute. Ah, Bailey. Where are you? There you go. Nice butt beard. Just kidding. So yeah, I didn't really know what to do today, so I figured I'd just make this little video. And I'm kind of upset with YouTube because they're currently not allowing audio on one of my videos that I just put up on my Black Vlogger channel. Don't go and look it up. I don't want you going on. Oh my god, don't go! Don't look up my other channel, which is more better than this one. Just kidding. You can tell I'm really bored. And the dogs are really bored too. That's why, as you can see, Bailey's sitting over there in the chair again, because he's bored out of his mind. Huh, Bailey? Huh? So yeah, I'm kind of just hanging out here, doing nothing. It's great. Yeah, so, alright, I'm done with this. See you later.